In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off parental control on Google Play Store. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store, click on profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on settings and go into the family, and here you can see parental control. Currently it is turned on, and if I want to turn off, I need to enter the pin, but here you can see that I forget the pin. So how you can turn it off? So you simply need to go back and open the settings of your smartphone. Once you are in settings, you simply need to go into the app management and click on app list. And here you need to search for Google Play Store. So here it is. Click on that. Click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK. And here you can see that. Let me turn off the notifications. Okay, and then you need to go back and you need to open the Play Store. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here you need to click on settings, click on family, and here you can see that now parental control is turned off. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.